Hi Taylor Sailors, it's Miss Murphy. Today's story is called The Animal Boogie, and it's a little bit different than a normal storybook in that these words are set to music, and you're going to be listening for how different animals in the jungle move around in their environment. See if you can challenge yourself and list all of our animals in order. And then at the end, see if you can maybe create your own list of animals and different ways they move, and you can plug those ways into our melody. Hope you enjoy. Down in the jungle, come if you dare. What can you see? Shaking here and there with a shaky shake here and a shaky shake there. What's that creature shaking here and there? What kind of creature could be shaking here and there and everywhere in our story? I see bees. I don't think it's them. I see this bird. It's probably not him. But I do see this creature right here. And I think it's a bear. She goes shake, shake, boogie, 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 shake, shake, boogie, 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 shake, shake, boogie, boogie, boogie. That's the way she's shaking here and there. Down in the jungle where nobody sees, what can you see? Swinging through the trees with a swingy swing here and a swingy swing there. What's that creature swinging through the trees? Wow, I see a lot of animals in the trees, but only one animal has a tail that could be swinging from tree to tree, and that animal is a monkey. He goes swing, swing, boogie, 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 swing, swing, boogie, 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 swing, swing, boogie, boogie, boogie. That's the way he's swinging through the trees. Down in the jungle in the midday heat, what can you see? Stomping its feet with a stomp, stomp here and a stompy stomp there. What's that creature stomping its feet? Those look like really, really big feet to me, and that animal is an elephant. She goes stomp, stomp, boogie, 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 stomp, stomp, boogie, 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 stomp, stomp, boogie, boogie, boogie. That's the way she's stomping her feet. Down in the jungle where the trees grow high, what can you see? Flying in the sky with a flappy flap here and a flappy flap there. What's that creature flying in the sky? So there's a lot of different animals on this page, but only one of them is in the sky and flapping its wings. It's a bird. He goes flap, flap, boogie, 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 flap, flap, boogie, 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 flap, flap, boogie, boogie, boogie. That's the way he's flying in the sky. Down in the jungle where the leaves lie deep, what can you see? Learning how to leap with a leapy leap here and a leapy leap there. What's that creature learning how to leap? Well, on this page I see a peacock, and peacocks don't leap. I see ladybugs. I don't think ladybugs leap. But this animal right here definitely leaps around, and it's a leopard. She goes leap, leap, boogie, 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 leap, leap, boogie, 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 leap, leap, boogie, boogie, boogie. That's the way she's learning how to leap. Down in the jungle where there's danger all around, what can you see? Slithering on the ground with a slither, slither here and a slither, slither there. What's that creature slithering on the ground? So there's a lot of different animals on this page, but only one of them seems to be slithering on the ground in between the trees and the roots of the trees. That animal is a snake. He goes slither, slither, boogie, 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 slither, slither, boogie, 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 slither, slither, boogie, boogie, boogie. That's the way he's slithering on swaying left and right. In addition to animals on this page, I see that there are people. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people all together. And they are swaying left and right. We go sway, sway,